let's talk all about promoting your Black Friday sale so that you can be set up for success and you can see some revenue come in from your promotion. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and so much more. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out my free resource library where you can learn how to create, market, and launch your digital products in no time. Also, if you're looking for some Black Friday resources or some holiday promotion resources to help you with your digital products, go ahead and check out the ones I have for you below. Now, let's talk all about promoting your Black Friday sale or your holiday sale that you might be hosting in the next couple of weeks. Now, it's important for you to plan this out in advance so that you can properly create your marketing calendar around this particular promotion and you can know how to properly lead into promoting it. So the first thing I want you to do if you are going to be hosting a Black Friday or a holiday sale is to identify what platforms do you want to show up on in order to properly promote your sale. Now, if you are hoping to just put a sale on your website and people come to it and hope that they just take advantage of this special sale, well, you might not see the traffic or you might not see the results that you are looking for. So it's important for you to properly communicate that there's some sort of sale happening so that your audience can be able to take advantage of it. So I know for myself, I identify what platforms I show up on. I know I show up on YouTube. I love to connect with my audience via email marketing. And I also like to send specific emails and things like that, or work with JV affiliates and do more collaborations. Those are some of the ways that I enjoy promoting. And if that's something that you would like to do too, it's important that you plan so that the people you might be working with can also help you and also add that into their content calendar. So the first thing that I do in order to just really get my hands on marketing is to identify what my social media platforms are going to be or my places of communication. And then once I have that identified, I can then start making my game plan around that. Now, after you have identified where you're going to be showing up for your marketing and your promotions for your Black Friday or holiday sale, the next thing we'll want to do is come up with a teaser idea. We want to pre-tease this idea of your upcoming sale so then you're not just waiting until the day of Black Friday or the day of your holiday sale and hoping that people buy. A lot of people are so busy during the holidays, whether they're shopping for their loved ones or visiting loved ones or just doing other things. They are busy during this time frame, so it's important for you to really plan and kind of help your audience to see that something great is coming and they can prepare to take time to check things out and see if it's a good fit for them. So whenever I am planning for my pre-sale and kind of my pre-teaser, one of the things I like to do is start to put things in my PS section of my emails whenever I have an upcoming sale that's going to be taking place. I like to say things along the lines, oh, check your email in a couple of days, something special is going to be coming, or maybe you have been looking to overcome your pain point in this particular topic. Don't forget to check out this particular thing that's coming up soon on this date at this time. This is a great way to properly start to tease your audience and let them know that something great is coming. You can even post things in social media that help people to know that you're about to have an upcoming promotion or sale. You can say things like, maybe you've been struggling with this, or maybe you've been feeling this way, and I know I experienced this or knew someone who experienced this as well, and I want to help you to overcome that. And on January 3rd or on blah, blah, blah date, I am going to be hosting something really special that you won't want to miss. Maybe your pre-teaser is going to be a pre-challenge before they join your product or before they actually check out your overall digital product store. Maybe you're going to be hosting a webinar. Whatever that pre-teaser is, it's important to start promoting it before you have your sale so that you can set yourself up for success. Now, the third thing that you'll want to do if you're going to be utilizing email marketing is to start writing out what your emails are going to be. I know a lot of people want to do email marketing around their promotion, but they don't take the time to sit and actually think through what their actual emails are going to be. I want you to think through, am I going to have a pre-sale? Am I going to do something called VIP selling where I sell to my VIPs before I offer it to the general public? Am I going to make an announcement that the sale is on and it's time for you to go check it out? Am I also going to let people know throughout the sale that Maybe here's some stories that customers have seen success with this particular digital product. Maybe I'm going to be sharing more details and FAQs about this product. And are you also going to inform people of when this product is no longer on sale or when this offer is going to end? This will help you to create some sort of urgency and remind your customers to take action that are currently already on your email list. And also you can utilize the same strategy on social media so that people know to click that link and go ahead and check out that digital product. The fourth thing to help you to get ready to really promote your Black Friday or holiday sale is also to create something called a sales page or some sort of product description explaining what this product is about and what your students or your audience is going to gain whenever they take action with buying this particular product. You want to take time to really explain what it is so that then during the holidays, you're not getting inundated with a ton of emails asking if this product is a good fit, what's included, and all that great stuff. So you'll want to write this in advance. And also this is information you can utilize throughout your social media and also your email marketing and whatnot. Okay, so there you have it, Corporate Misfits. It's time to sit down and really think through where you're going to be showing up for your promotion strategy. How are you going to communicate with your audience so that they can know where and when to take action? And also, how are you going to inform them about this product without you having to necessarily stay within your inbox all throughout the holidays answering questions? Okay, if you are looking for some additional resources, I want you to check out my resource library. You can learn more about how to create, market, and launch your digital products, and also check out these Black Friday resources that can help you in your business. You can find those below. Okay, I'll see you soon where we're gonna be talking more about Black Friday and how you can get ready to identify how long your Black Friday sale is going to be. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.